Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of printers. Specifically the Canon MegaTank G3270 all-in-one wireless inkjet printer. But before we delve into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about the Canon MegaTank G3270. This printer is not just any printer. It's the best inkjet printer for printing on fabric available in the market today. Why, you ask? Well, let's find out. First off, let's talk about its integrated ink tanks. With the MegaTank G3270, you can say goodbye to constantly replacing cartridges. It comes with enough ink to print up to 6,000 pages in black and 7,700 pages in color. That's right, no more interruptions mid-project due to low ink levels. Another standout feature is its intuitive 1.35-inch square LCD screen. This makes navigation and operation a breeze, ensuring you spend less time fiddling with settings and more time creating. But wait, there's more. The Canon MegaTank G3270 isn't just efficient, it's also incredibly versatile. You can print, copy, and scan wirelessly from your favorite mobile devices using the free Canon Print app, Apple AirPrint, or Mopriya print service. Talk about convenience at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about performance. The MegaTank G3270 boasts impressive print speeds of 11 pages per minute in black and 6 pages per minute in color. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or fabric patterns, you can trust this printer to deliver high-quality results every time. And there you have it, folks. The Canon MegaTank G3270 all-in-one wireless inkjet printer is not just a printer. It's a game-changer for all your printing needs, especially when it comes to printing on fabric. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy printing!